Let's stir up some captivating chicken karahi. This was a popular request by my dear viewers, and today I'll be making this for you in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. First, you'll need a whole chicken, 2 diced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2-inch piece of ginger sliced, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, and 5 diced green chilies. First, you're going to take your Instant Pot, put it on saute mode, and add a 1/4 cup of oil. Then you're going to add your diced ginger and your garlic to this, along with the cumin seeds. You're going to fry these together for about a minute or two and continue to stir really well so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then you're going to go on and add your onions to this. Now, you want to make sure your manual setting is on medium. You don't want it too high because you do not want the onions to get burnt or get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Once the onions start to turn translucent, it'll take about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can add your chicken and fry it in here. Now, this is just a tip from me. I always fry my chicken in the onion first before I add any other spices or tomatoes. This just ensures that my chicken is A, cooked, and B, it doesn't break easily once I finish the curry. This is just a tip that I always do, and it always works out for me, so try it out. Once you have stirred the chicken for about 5 minutes, it shouldn't be any more pink traces in it, mostly white. Then you'll be adding your green chilies along with all your spices. Now, the green chilies could certainly be left out, but this karahi is meant to be spicy, so it's meant to have green chilies inside, and you can also garnish with them as well. So again, if you don't want it too spicy, you can certainly leave it out. Add all your spices as well, and stir fry this for a good 5 to 10 minutes. After all the spices are really mixed in, you're going to add the last ingredient, which is going to be our tomatoes. Now, once we add our tomatoes, this is pretty much the last step. You could add a little bit of water, but the tomatoes release enough water that I don't ever need to add extra water. If you want the curry to be more liquidy at the end, you can certainly add a 1/2 cup of water once you finish pressuring it. We'll see at the end if we need to. Now we're going to close the lid of our Instant Pot, make sure it's on sealing, and we're going to manual pressure it for about 3 minutes. That's all the time you need. After 3 minutes, we're going to let the pressure release naturally. Then we're going to open the lid, and the smell and the aroma is just so good. You're going to, just stir it for a couple minutes, and you can add more water, like I mentioned earlier, if you want the curry to be thicker. I added about 1/2 cup, and after it comes to a boil, just garnish it with your ginger, your coriander, and some green chilies. Here are the ingredients for you once again. Definitely give this a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this recipe, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, any other requests, do let me know. Until next time, stir it up.